Birth of trade. Man's basic needs are food, shelter, and clothing. Among them, food is first. Man started collecting fruits and bulbous roots from his surrounding to satisfy this need. These sources of livelihood were not sufficient. Hence, he started hunting birds, animals, and fish. Along with this, he consciously started caring for some animals and plants. Population increased, need also increased. Thus, there was an increase in commodities. Some areas had surplus commodities and others had storage. Thus, there was need for movement of commodities. This was the beginning of trade. Various services came into existence to aid manufacturing, transportation, and trade. All these works of man rise to various human activities. Occupation. Man's work to satisfy his basic needs and ever-increasing wants is known as occupation. Today, man has new requirements. To satisfy these requirements, he uses different natural resources. He has to work to avail these natural resources. From these activities, he made goods, services, and wealth which were required for his living. Human occupations help to complete the cycle of production and consumption.